Hi there, are you looking for experienced movers in your area? If you are, then you're at the right place at the right time. Now, what I want to do right now is tell you what is Movers You Can Trust. We are actually a website, a review-based company giving you the best and most experienced movers in your area. So, in order to actually get listed on our site, you have to go through following factors listed below on this PowerPoint right here in order to get obviously listed on our site. So first of all, we only put 5-star customer service moving companies on our website. So when we say this, we mean we go and find these companies that have commitment to giving you a 5-star customer service, who are willing to put the effort into helping you and get the job done right. We make sure that everybody that we choose that gets listed on our website is professional. They have to be and hold a professional standpoint if they want to be listed on our website. They have to have the ability to work fast, efficient, and leave you stress-free when moving from home to home. They have to have experience, they have to have competitive pricing, and much, much more. So we take this very serious when we're listing companies on our website, and we make sure that we go out and only find the best for you and for ourselves. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? Below or on this website, there's going to be companies listed that are the most reputable and experienced moving companies that you're going to have the option to call. So make sure to give them a call right now, and you'll be on your way from moving to your new dream home. Thank you. Bye.